For every problem, first you should understand what is given, then you should know the relevant formula and solve it. So what is meant by T? T means time from discounted date till legally due date. So from this date to this date, how many days are there? We should count, that is time period. So she'll do banker's discount. It will be a little more than what? True discount. The difference is what? Banker's gain. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today, I'll conclude the chapter bill discounting. So, a conclusion session for bill discounting. Just I'll take a sample problem to analyze. So, now we have done so many problems of bill discounting. For every problem, first you should understand what is given, then you should know the relevant formula and solve it. So, in today's session, I'll brief out this problem and I'll go for all the formula and methodologies. So, now a bill of rupees 12,900 was drawn on 3rd February 2014, 6 months, and discounted for, means bill period is 6 months, and discounted on 13th March 2014 at 8% per annum. For what sum was the bill discounted? So for what sum was the bill discounted, they're asking you. So means here they give face value 12,900. Means first technique is you should write what is given. So face value, we just say F. So symbol for face value in the formula we use F, so write F. Then after face value, bill period they give. What is the bill period they give? 6 months. 6 months, they gave in months. And what else they give? Discounted on, discounted date they give. Discounted date they give. Discounted date. What is the discounted date they have mentioned? 13th March. 13/3/2014. And 8% per annum. Rate of interest they give 8%. What sum was the bill discounted? What means discounted value? So discounted value, if you want, first you should find banker's discount. So for that, you know what is banker's discount formula? It's a simple interest on face value, FTR. First your task is to calculate time. To calculate time, so what is meant by T? T means time from discounted date till legally due date. So first we'll calculate LDD, legally due date. So what is legally due date? Drawn date. When it is drawn? Drawn on 3rd February 3/2/14. For how many months? 6 months. So 6. So and 3 days grace you should add. So 14, 8, and it will become 6. 6th August 2014. So this is legally due date. So how to get legally due date? For drawn date, add the bill. See, this is legally due date, you have learned. Legally due date is obtained by, for drawn date, you add bill period and add 3 days grace. So you'll get legally due date. So the bill is due on 6th August 2014. Now our task is to find discounted value. For that, first you should find BD. What is BD? FTR. So time period. How to calculate time period? Discounted date. Discounted date is 13th March. So discounted date is 13th March. 13/3. This is discounted date 2014. And legally due date is 6th August. LDD. Legally due date is 6th August 14. See, from 13th March, in March we have how many days? In March remaining 18 days are there. April, you know, total 30 days are there. Till August I should count. So from this date to this date, how many days are there? We should count, that is time period. Time period means time between drawn date to the legally due date. So, and May you will have, in the month of May, you will have 31 days. June, in the month of June, you will have 30 days again. In July, we will have 31 days. August, 8 days. August, we will have 6 days. So 30, 30, 60, 60, 30, 90, 90, 120, 122, 128, 128 plus 8, 136, 146. Total we have 146 days. Now you calculate BD. What is BD? Banker's discount. Banker's discount is a simple interest on face value, FTR. What is face value? 12,000. What is given? 12,900. Time period. What is time period? 146 days. But always time should be in years. So how to convert days to years? For 1 year we have 365 days. So divided by 365. And rate of interest they are given. What is the rate? 8%. 8 by 100. Simplify this. So after simplify, so now you can use calculator to simplify this. So now use calculator, simplify this, you'll finally get 412.8 rupees you'll get. This is the banker's discount. They want discounted value. So they want discounted value. What is discounted value? Discounted value is face value minus banker's discount. What is face value? 12,900 minus 412.8 rupees. So that will become, in 12,900 remove what? 418.8 rupees. 412.8 rupees. So so it will become 2. 10 minus 2 is 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 8 minus 4, 12,487.2 rupees. This is the discounted value. Discounted value means original value, face value minus banker's discount. That's it. So just it's a sample. So first, if you want to solve the problem, first you should know the basic concept. What is the basic concept? A bill will be drawn on particular date, and then it will be discounted before it matures. Very first thing is you should know time set. So first we'll have three concepts. So first concept is drawn date. Drawn date, we call it as DD. I'll symbolize it as DD, drawn date. Then discounted date. In between discounted date, I call it a DSD. Discounted date, DSD. And we'll have legally due date. Legally due date, LDD, legally due date. And we'll have what is called as period, bill period. Bill period is BP. This LDD means what? Legally due date. So first we'll discuss the basics. The basics, see, just I want to summarize. Before I summarize bill discounting, first you should be aware of dates. For example, a bill is drawn, say they'll tell bill is drawn on 2nd February 2013. This is drawn date. It gets matured after 8 months. It gets matured after how many months? 8 months. So this is bill period. And legally due date means, so if you want legally due date, the formula is what? Legally due date is equal to drawn date plus bill period. For that you should add the bill period, and you should also add 3 days grace. This is the first formula. And time period. So whenever you want to calculate banker's discount or true discount, you have to use T. T stands for time period from discounted date to legal due date. T means number of days from discounted date to legally due date. When it is discounted from there to the legally due date. So this is important. T stands for what? Time from what? Discounted date to legally due date. From here to here, whatever the period, that period we call it as T. Using these dates, we calculate the remaining. Formula set 2. So first is banker's discount. Banker's discount is the simple interest on the face value. That's why it is FTR. Simple interest is what? PTR by 100 or PTR will say, principal. Here principal is face value. And true discount is it is also simple interest on present value. Bill present value. And here what is, and one more, banker's gain. Banker's gain is also simple interest on the true discount. These three are simple interest. So if you know the definition, you can generate the formula. So what is banker's discount? Simple interest on face value. What is true discount? Simple interest on present value. Banker's gain, true discount and, it's a simple interest and true discount. Only FPT varies. And how to find present value? So first formula, second formula, third formula. So now how to calculate present value? If you want to go for present value is P is equal to F divided by 1 minus TR. Bill discount and banker's gain. So banker will get a profit, that we say banker's gain, that is what? Banker's discount minus true discount. Always banker will discount more than true discount. And then we can also find banker's gain in face value in terms of all the discounts. TD, BD, BG. If you know, you can find face value. And discounted value is F into 1 minus TR. This is discounted value. So these are the formulae repeatedly we use to solve the problems. First you become thorough with the formulae, then you start the problems. So whenever you read the problem, assign the terms. Means in a problem, what is f given, what is t given, like that. And then you decide if they want bill period, if they want banker's discount, you should calculate as what, FTR. Or if they want true discount, you calculate it as PTR. And how to calculate P? P is what? F divided by 1 minus TR, present worth. Always remember the basics before the formula. What I want to say is, always whenever you want to solve the problems, is a basic. BD is always greater than TD. And very important thing is, present value will be less than face value. So these are the two basics. Banker to gain, so he'll do banker's discount. It will be little more than what? True discount. The difference is what? Banker's gain. And banker's gain is also simple interest and true discount, we'll say. So by this, I'm done with the chapter bill discounting. Please sit and recollect the whole chapter. Interesting, and weightage is just 3 marks, but for future, this chapter helps you a lot. Those who go for commerce continuation, that is BCom or your BBA, the bill discounting chapter is worth. Please sit and revise and become thorough. Thanks for attending. Thank you.